Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the city lights are doing great. Basically doing one building at a time. And the next building that needs lights is the town hall. So let's get that over onto the table and start putting lights on it. All right, so we got another set from Light My Bricks. They even sent over this awesome pad here. This is kind of like a mouse pad type material. It's awesome to build on and do little projects like this. So let's go ahead and do that. So we open up this box here. It's got a kind of instructions, but basically most of their instructions are online on their website. So this just basically gives you some pointers on how to route some of your wire management and how to plug them in and unplug them and stuff like that. So try not to damage them. So looks like we got some 30 centimeter white bit lights. Looks like maybe quite a few of them in there. And then we have some connecting cables, probably different lengths in there. We have one light, street light. Wow, and then we got a bunch of strip lights here. About maybe 7 or so, looks like. And then our USB connection. And then some of these, some supporting bricks in here. They like to bring in like and actually Lego branded pieces too. But they'll put those in there so you can stick your lights to them and stuff, so you're not actually sticking it to the piece of the set, which is kind of cool. And then it also has these little kind of like little hub pieces is what I like to call them. So that's where you connect all your different stuff for different floors and stuff. So, all right. Let's pull up the instructions online here. There it is. It tells you right here what you're all supposed to get. And then they go over some more steps. And then the actual steps. So let's get started. Let's pull the building over here. All right. So I'll take off each floor here. And the second floor here. Now we're left with just the pretty tall first floor here. Oh, we got an extra tile piece. All right, it says first thing is the lamp. It looks like I'll pull that off, and then maybe the plant. Yeah, I gotta pull this whole row off right here. But let's go to the time lapse. I was a little confused in the instructions on this one. I'm not sure. Maybe my attention span was somewhere else or something. But yeah, it looks good though. I mean, I got it to work. I did a little bit of my way. I kind of changed one of their steps. They basically had the wires up top with the hub and the power block up there. So I did it a little bit different, Made a couple little changes, but overall, once again, very happy. Let's put it in the city. Real quick, like turn off all the lights so you can see just what lights are coming from the building here. All right, now let's put it in the city. So I'm gonna have to take it apart again and make a adjustment. But they have those, what, 3 hub pieces of what I call them throughout. You know, there's one on the first floor, one on the second, and there was supposed to be one on the roof, but I moved it to the 3rd floor just to hide some of the wires. Well, that really didn't affect anything. The problem was where the power wire came from. They had it plugged in on the first hub, so it only came up, it barely reaches the roof. So it really wouldn't reach the back of the building either. So right now I have like a USB hub all ugly sitting up on top here, just so I can connect more buildings to one power block. So one battery block. So I'm gonna unplug the power source from there and then plug in the 2nd floor under there, and basically just keep moving wires until I have the power source coming from the roof, I think, or try to find a longer cable or something. But just how I'm doing mine, the power wire wasn't long enough. It was, you know, only from there to there, so it just wasn't enough. But anyway, without further ado, there is Town Hall. Let's take a walk down the street. So of course in the dark it looks just fine. Probably can't really tell, but I know all those messy wires are on top there. So it's looking really cool, all lit up. So, anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.